Alright, you guys, here is part 2 of the video, so welcome back. My last thing that I'm going to show you guys is my ColourPop unboxing. So here it is. I ordered quite a bit. Which I'm also really excited about. All the products that I ordered to try. They sent me a cute little card. You're looking fabulous. Cute. I like it. Alright, so first thing is I got these. Okay, so I got 3 cream gel liners. Here's the first one. The second one. And the third one. These are the cream gel liners. Cannot wait to see how they will look. And then I got 4 lippy sticks. Ooh. Ooh, that's interesting. They are like this. They're really cute packaging. I like it. It's very interesting. And here is this. It seems like they are like nude colors. Nude colors and everything, so it's gonna be kind of nice. Try that out. That's a really pretty color. Cannot wait to do some makeup. I'm going to do makeup. I'm going to do skincare. I have so much stuff to do. It's insane. And here's another one. They have really pretty packaging. I love this. Cannot wait to try those out. These are the same shades. I thought they were really cute. But here it is. I love this color. It looks like the lipstick. The Luxe Violet and the color Buttercup. It has like really like cute packaging. So I like it. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Here is the Luxe lip oil. Here are all the shades and the color. This is Cactus Blossoms. Dewdrop. This is Dewdrop. Skinny Dip, Papaya Vista, Hot Shot, and then the clear one is Benjel. So, I don't know about you all. I'm really excited to try these products out. I got the Blush Crush and Nude Mood. I already have this palette, so I'm going to be putting, well, this and this together as a giveaway. I am going to slowly put stuff together as a giveaway. So I'm going to have some ColourPop in there, some other products in there that you guys won't know yet, just because I don't know. But yeah, I'm really excited. I got Making Mauves palette as well. This is gonna be so exciting. I got Cloud Dye, Palette Vault. So I got the 3 set. It's the I forget what it's called. It's that trio thing that they have. So excited to try those. They're in the picture. They look really pastel colors. So I don't want to open it, but I do want to open the Making Mauves palette. I'm excited to give a lot of this stuff a try. Here it is. It's a great color scheme. I like that. It's not like too heavy on the purples or anything, so it's going to be a really great palette to make a really like pretty look. So that's going to be nice. Now I don't know how I'm going to do the giveaway yet. Just because I really want to not just like challenging or anything or too like weird or whatever, I don't know, but I do want to do a giveaway soon. Now this is a really cute packaging as well. This is the Sandstone palette that they have that just came out as well. So they have like this really gorgeous palette I thought was really cute that I really wanted to try out as well. I love that green right here. That green is so pretty. Cannot wait. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys are excited as I am right now. I swear. I'm so pumped. So freaking pumped to try all this stuff. It's gonna be so nice. I want to like do makeup and skincare, all that stuff. So it's gonna be nice to do all of that. Alright, you guys, so that was the end. That was the last box. Not going to order a lot of makeup yet, or because I still want to try all of this stuff, and go from there, because like I mean, as you guys can see, you guys had seen my regular BoxyCharm, my BoxyCharm Premium, BH Cosmetics, Morphe, ColourPop. Pretty much got them like right at the same time while I was at the hospital delivering George here, and I'm really excited to show you guys off to him. And yeah, so I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. If you guys also have Facebook, go and follow me on Patty's Beauty Mark, and check that out. I'm going to be doing a lot of lives on there as well. Skincare, I have skincare, I have makeup, probably do some hair care in there, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So yeah, it's not just going to be pharmacy products, even though I am a what do you want, pharmacy influencer. So obviously there will be products that is pharmacy and will be also non-pharmacy products. So let me know if you guys have any questions about that. And I will also give you guys my link to my pharmacy page if you guys would like to order anything from there as well. That would be greatly appreciated, because I'd like to start staying home and being able to be there for George. Or if you guys are interested in becoming a pharmacy influencer, all you guys need to do is just go on my webpage and be able to go and start making your own makeup, skincare, hair care business. And not only that, I do have, I am a Beachbody coach, so if anyone is interested in their health and fitness, I'd love to help you guys out with that as well. Don't feel obligated to buy anything because like, oh man, she's on maternity leave, she's barely making any money. I don't really care about that. I just care about being able to help people and make them feel more confident in themselves. It's not, okay, well, let's try to get some money. Or, oh, this person's going to make me some money. Stuff like that. So I just like doing this just because I like to show you guys how these products work with this product that I absolutely love through pharmacy. All that stuff. So I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. I will be posting my Patty's Beauty Mark page on here. So if you guys would like to go and check that out, you guys can. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.